Okay everybody, it's time to get ready. I've already done my skin routine, which means I have cleansed, I have done my toner, and I've done my moisturizer, and it is all dry, so I am ready for the next step. First step in applying makeup, if you're gonna do that, and actually this product can stand alone too, and that is, I'm gonna be using an anti-aging primer, something brand new that I haven't tried before. It's by LaRoche-Posay, and it is a 50 SPF. So let's open this thing up and check it out. Here's what it looks like outside of the box. The squeezy bottle. You store it upside down, so it sits on the counter. This is a fragrance-free product, which gets my thumbs up. That means no irritating fragrances in it. It's also paraben-free and tested on sensitive skin, it says. So let's give this guy a shot. Open it up. Thick consistency, thicker than most sunscreens would be. I'm gonna apply that to my face. It's really smooth and kind of thick feeling. So far I'd say I'm really liking my experience with the product. Next I'm going to go ahead and apply some face makeup. I don't wear face makeup every day, but I'm gonna see what it's like using this as a primer under the makeup. See if it sticks and everything looks good, but so far so good. And I'll let you know how it goes with the makeup.